Hi, I'm Alison Worrell and I'm going to be taking you through your cheesecake truffle recipe. Hope you're enjoying yourselves so far and you've got all your equipment and ingredients ready. I will run through what you need in a second just in case you missed it, but I hope you enjoy and don't forget to take photos of those yummy truffles at the end. For this recipe, you will need 200 grams of full fat soft cheese, a pack of sandwich biscuits such as Oreos, and approximately 200 grams of milk chocolate. You may also wish to have a different kind of chocolate or some sprinkles for decoration. For the equipment, you will need a spoon and a bowl, a rolling pin, and a baking tray lined with paper. Place the sandwich biscuits into a bowl and crush with the end of the rolling pin into a fine powder. Once the biscuits are a fine powder, you're ready to add your cream cheese. Once your mixture is ready, roll into balls the size of cherry tomatoes and place on the tray. Once your truffles have been rolled, place them in the fridge to set and clean your bowl and spoon in preparation for melting the chocolate. Prepare your chocolate in your bowl ready to be melted. It's time to melt your chocolate. Using either a microwave or a boiling pan, melt the chocolate. Please take care, it will be very hot, and always ask an adult to help if you require it. Take your truffles out of the fridge and one by one dip them into the chocolate using your spoon. Ensure they are fully coated. Once they are fully covered, place them in the fridge to set. You may add sprinkles to them at this point, or you can decorate them with a different chocolate after they have set. I hope you've enjoyed watching and you'll give it a go yourself. Don't forget to take pictures of those yummy truffles and enjoy.